Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg Art, and today I am going to redraw this drawing of Future Trunks from 2019. You guys really love these old versus new art drawing videos and I really enjoy making them. So let's see how much I've improved in 2 years. The old drawing of Trunks looks actually pretty good, so beating this will be hard. Make sure to like the video guys, subscribe if you are new, and then we can start. Let's go.
So broken inside, I cannot your nasty tricks. This was the last time that you fuck this dick. All the days we spent have been a goddamn waste, but I get over it. So take your perfect lies and shove them up your ass. I have no fucking regrets. Look deep in my eyes. Can you see the hate? There is no way back. You're my enemy, enemy. No fucking regrets. No regrets. Real bitch. Take your last sip of whatever this is. Real bitch. Before you suffocate in your own shit. All the days we spent have been a goddamn waste, but I get over it. So take your perfect lies and shove them up your ass. I have no fucking regrets. No regrets.
Alright guys, there we have Future Trunks remastered. I have to say, I love the end result. Trunks looks so badass, I love it. So guys, let's put these two badasses side by side. I used the exact same materials and even the same colors as 2 years ago. I also kept the pose and everything else very similar to the old one, so we can see the difference in the quality of the drawing. And for me, there is a huge difference. Even though the old drawing looks very good and has pretty much no weaknesses, I think the new drawing beats the old one in every aspect. So I am very happy with the improvements. What do you think guys? Do you like the old or the new drawing more? Let me know in the comments below. I will also make some prints of this drawing for a very reasonable price by next week. You can find the link to my online store down below guys, so stay tuned. If you are ever interested in a custom drawing, just contact me via Instagram or email me at arttolg@gmail.com if you don't have an Instagram account. Just message me there so we can talk about your drawing, guys. Alright guys, with that said, I see you next week with a new video. You just have to do me one favor guys, help me to reach 1000 likes with this video and comment below. That would help this video to perform way better, which helps my entire channel to grow. I really appreciate that. Alright guys, thanks for watching and I see you on the next video. Peace!